Good morning, everyone. Today, our group will present a topic titled Between Innovation and Conflict, Drone Technology in Modern Warfare. We will use the current geopolitical tensions involving Israel, the United States, and Iran as a case study to understand how drone technology is changing modern warfare. In this presentation, we will discuss the role of drones in military operations, why nations increasingly rely on them, the ethical concerns they raise, and how they can be used responsibly in the future. Moving on, in recent years, technological advancement have transformed the nature of warfare. Among these technologies, drones have become one of the most influential military tools. Unlike traditional aircrafts, drones can be operated remotely, gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and even carry out military strikes. Because of their efficiency and relative low cost, drones are now widely used in many conflicts around the world. The development raises an important questions. Are drones making warfare safer, or are they creating new ethical and security challenges? To understand the significance of drone technology, we need to look at the tensions involving Israel, the United States, and Iran. As you can see, this is the background of the conflict. So these countries have been involved in ongoing political and security disputes in the Middle East, regional influence, military competitions, and security concerns have contributed to increasing tensions. In recent years, drone technology has played an important role in military strategies and security operations within the region. This makes the Middle East an appropriate case study for understanding the impacts of drones and modern warfare. Thank you. And next is the drone technology. Drone technology refers to unnamed aerial vehicles, commonly known as UAVs. This aircraft operates without a pilot on board and can be controlled remotely or assisted by artificial intelligence system. Modern drones are equipped with advanced camera, sensors, communication systems, and sometimes weapons. Their flexibility and efficiency make them valuable tools in military operations. And next is how drones are used in warfare. Drones serve several important functions in warfare. They are used for surveillance, intelligence gathering, reconnaissance missions, and tactical military operations. By providing real-time information, drones help military commanders make faster and more informed decisions. This ability has significantly changed how modern conflicts are conducted. Moving on to surveillance and intelligence gathering, one of the most important roles of drones is surveillance. Drones can monitor large areas for long periods and collect valuable information about enemy activities. They help identify potential threats, monitor borders, and provide real-time intelligence to military forces. As a result, drones are often described as the eye of modern warfare. Besides surveillance, drone can also carry out tactical strike operations. Armed drones are capable of targeting specific military objectives with a high degree of precision. This reduces the need to deploy soldiers into dangerous environments and lower the risk of military casualties. For many countries, drones provide an effective balance between military capability and operational efficiency. Move on to slide 8 is the tactical strike operations. Many countries are investing heavily in drone technology because it strengthens national defense capabilities. One of the major reasons is protecting national sovereignty. Drones can patrol borders, monitor airspace, and help detect security threats more efficiently. They are also useful in counter-terrorism operations and maritime surveillance activity. Move on to benefits to defense systems. Drone technologies offer several strategic advantages. First, it reduces risk to military personnel by allowing dangerous missions to be performed remotely. Second, it improves intelligence gathering and decision making. Third, drones are often less expensive to operate compared to traditional military aircraft. These advantages explains why drones have become an essential component of modern defense systems. Moving on to ethical concern. So while drones provide many benefits, they also raise serious ethical concerns. One major issue is the risk to civilian populations. Although drones are designed to improve precision, mistakes can still occur. Incorrect intelligence, technical failures, or human error may result in civilian casualties and unintended damage. This highlights the humanitarian challenges associated with drone warfare. Okay, moving on to the international humanitarian law. Military drones operation must also comply with international humanitarian law. Key principles include distinction, proportionality, necessity, and accountability. This means military force must distinguish between combatants and civilians and avoid excessive harms to non-combatants. Therefore, ethical responsibility must remain a priority when developing and using drone technology. And next is the impact on global security. The misuse of drone technology can have consequences far beyond the battlefield. Drone attack may increase tensions between nations and contribute regional instability. As more countries acquire advanced drone systems, competition in military technologies continue to grow. This may increase the risk of conflict escalation and global insecurity. For the responsible use of drones, to ensure drones are used responsibly, several measures should be implemented. First, governments should strengthen international regulations governing military drone operations. Second, human oversight should remain an essential part of decision-making processes. Third, military personnel should receive ethical training regarding the use of emerging technologies. Finally, international cooperation is necessary to promote transparency and reduce security risk. To the conclusion, drone technology has transformed modern warfare by improving military efficiency, intelligence gathering, and national security capabilities. However, it also creates significant ethical, humanitarian, and geopolitical challenges. The future of drone technology should be guided not only by innovation, but also by responsibility and accountability, and also respect for human life. Only by maintaining this balance can drones contribute positively to society and global security. And thank you for your attention. That's all from us.